Hi, I'm Tim. Welcome to our channel and thanks for logging on. If you enjoy these videos, do me a favor and subscribe to our YouTube channel right here at Watchbox Reviews. I would really appreciate it and I promise to update daily. If you love this watch, you can see it and you can purchase it on our website, thewatchbox.com. And today we are discussing the big boy, the Rolex Oyster Perpetual Date Just 2. This is a timepiece 41 millimeters in diameter that bowed at Basel World 2008 and bowed out after the 2014 model year. The largest day date you can buy even today. The 41 millimeter diameter is only the beginning. Now it's a wonderfully slim 12.1 millimeters thick, so that's not a large dimension. It fits under a cuff. It's the solid end link to solid end link span of the watch that truly impresses. As measured across the wrist, the watch spans 53 millimeters, almost 44 millimeter Panerai Luminor territory. The spacing between the lugs is 21 millimeters, but you're not going to throw this white gold beauty on a strap. This reference 239 in white gold features a matching 18 karat white gold Rolex President bracelet. Now the watch is nicknamed the President. That's always been the nickname of the Date 8 and the Date 8 2, but the bracelet is properly nicknamed the Rolex President and named the Rolex President, one and the same. It is the proper name of this three-link design. So you have a combination of polished centers, polished outer faces, and satin flanks, staggered link size and staggered link alignment. It's also a wonderfully supple thing with the comfort of a Jubilee, but the solidity with this all-solid link design of the three-link Oyster sports bracelet. You can also see on the underside, and this is a 100 meter water-resistant sports watch, so it makes sense to vent the wrist well. You will wear this watch during days at the beach and the pool. No need to trap wrist heat. The clasp is, as ever, the crown clasp, the only sign of the partition point between the two halves of the bracelet, but you can see it's more sophisticated than in the past, with a substantial swing arm and a beacon hook system that you can see internally that allows you to latch it and then lock it. So it is actually a lift-lock trigger system, not friction fit. Quite sophisticated and compact. You can see all removable links are fixed by screws. The case band is elegant. You can see the double dot twin lock crown in white gold. They all have their individual signatures depending on twin lock or trip lock and material. The case band is graceful. Though this is a large watch, it has a slim profile in the tradition of the Date Justs and the Date 8s. It is not the squared off, sheer-sided super case of the GMTs, the Sea Dwellers, the Subs, and the Explorer 2. Conforming profile end links, and a large white gold faceted, almost gem-like bezel. You can see the bezel is in outstanding condition. This one hasn't fallen victim to excessive refinishing or rough treatment. Now the thing about Rolex white gold is that it is created in Rolex's own foundry in Plan-les-Ouates outside of Geneva's city center. It's in the suburbs of Geneva, and the Plan-les-Ouates factory creates the bracelets and the cases, as well as smelts the materials for the different platinum, gold, and steel watches. So this is Rolex's own white gold alloy. Why does that matter? Because it's white straight through. It's an 18 karat alloy known as gray gold in the industry. So if you scratch it, there's just more white gold underneath. It's not rhodium plated milky yellow like a conventional white gold. Get a little closer to the dial, and you can see it as a matte black with white on black printing and white gold indices set with gems, alternately brilliant cut gems and at 9 o'clock and 6 o'clock baguette style. There's a white railroad track seconds and minutes outboard, and you can see the date as well as the day. The Cyclops Eye magnifier wears better on the 41 millimeter case than it does on the 36, so proportionally it seems a bit better matched to the big day date. You'll also appreciate the fact that this is a double quick set, so you can cycle the date and then you can cycle the day with no need to freewheel the hands. There is a hacking or stop seconds function, and underneath the caseback, which helps the watch achieve 100 meter water resistance, there is a Rolex caliber 3136 in-house movement. It is unique to this particular watch as it features the Rolex Paraflex shock protection, but also bigger wheels for the day and the date. Automatic winding, bidirectional, very smooth and silent, 48-hour power reserve, 4 Hz beat rate, 31 joules. It's a COSC certified Swiss chronometer adjusted in 5 positions. It features an overcoil hairspring, handmade with a Breguet overcoil profile to help the watch keep chronometer grade time in every orientation with respect to gravity. The hairspring features a oxidized niobium zirconium alloy known as Parachrom Blue that is highly anti-magnetic. The balance is free-sprung, and the balance bridge is a full bridge anchored on both sides. Those two features enabling the watch to achieve high shock resistance. The watch, of course, with the quick set as well as the stop second, a very versatile movement in a Remarkably versatile watch, one of the most tasteful uses of gems on a men's watch. It has a cool two-tone look of black and white, with the gems subtle, only visible from half an arm's length. You can see this Rolex 218239 and make it yours on the watch box.